when you work your foot out, you have to go slow, and you do it just like you would do your hands. You would do like single strokes first, right? Now, to me, there's two types of strokes with your foot, just like you would have a staccato hit with your hand, more like an accent. And when you throw your stick down and stop the stick, like this right here, this would be more your staccato hit right here, like that. Now, if you want to, now the other stroke would be your legato stroke, like this here. Now what's happening is it goes between, I'll lift this up so you can see. It actually goes like your leg begins to move on your slower ones, on your slower stroke, your leg comes up to me just a little bit. But as you get faster, right? As you get faster with your faster strokes, your ankle, more of your ankle takes root in it like that. As you slowly get, you can see more of my leg is moving like that, right? So again, like I was saying, you have more. You have like a legato stroke with your foot. More of a staccato one when you're kicking the drum per se and sticking it, and then back to legato. Now this is like a little swivel thing I do. So like if I'm ever in a position where I don't have a double bass, I don't play double bass that much, but every now and again, I do mess with it just a little bit. But if I'm without, I have like a little swivel thing. So but here is more. So what's happening is I'm coming down with my foot here, like that. Then I'm coming back with the side, like with the side of my foot, like right there, like that. Yeah. So, but I'm still on the ball of my foot. It's more angled to where like my pinky toe is almost, right behind my pinky toe, and it would be at a diagonal. It would be diagonal like that, if I could say it that way. So this hit here is like I'm going down and coming back. I'm like plopping down with like behind the ball of that foot right there, and then I'm coming back up right behind that pinky toe. So it's like the side of my foot, up behind the pinky toe. Side of my foot behind the pinky toe. That's where I get that stroke from right there. Where where I get my little faster singles from. And of course in the beginning when you start, it's gonna be all over the place. It's gonna sound like be all over the place like that. But eventually you keep practicing it, it will work itself out. Again, even right there, you can hear the distinction between the stroke because one is a little lighter than the other. So you go straight ahead, or doubles kind of the same way, but you have to make the distance between the strokes a little shorter, right? So kind of the same thing. It's like I'm actually coming behind that pinky toe and then coming down right there with the whole ball of the foot. So it's like the front ball of the, like if I can describe it, it's like I'm playing right in like the front part of the ball of the foot, if I can say that, the ball, because like the ball, you know, you got like this ball that's right there up under the bottom, so right there. So it's like I'm playing from the front part, like my whole big toe and everything. Then I'm coming down right behind it. So slowing it down, it'd be like tap, boom, tap. And then when I'm coming down with the, you know, on the front part of the ball of the foot, it's like, you know, like the base of my big toe per se. You know, the crease, where the crease of the big toe, where that joint is, where the big toe is connected right there. It's like there. It's like I'm tapping. It's like I'm hitting the bass drum beater towards the head there, right there, and then I'm coming back down like that. So right there, that's what I'm talking about. So then I'm coming back down. So going slow. Then as you get faster, it kind of gets like a little swirl motion right there, because you're going so fast. Because it's almost like I don't want to say you're snapping your ankle, but it's almost like you're snapping your ankle. Well, like in a whipping motion per se. Go around the drum. But what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to go real slow in developing that. And believe me, it takes some time. So I hope this gives you some insight on your feet.